President always receives complaints.
Okay, sir. Sir, just last on my part. When the President told the PhilHealth officials to hand in their courtesy resignations, did they accept it willingly or may mga grumblings po ba na they
No.
didn't want to resign?
In fact, they thank the President for giving me the opportunity to serve. And they also appreciate the fact that the resignation is based not on the fact that the President mistrusts them, but because he wants a clean slate, he wants a full investigation. Para may binanggit pa nga siya doon, kung okay, di pwede naman sila ibalik. O kaya bigyan sila ng ibang posisyon, whatever. Hindi pa... The President siyempre is tentative kasi wala pa yung report.
Sir,
ng
huli na lang
NBI.
po. Patanong lang po ng office. What was the basis of the order of the President regarding the full-scale investigation and the courtesy resignations kung he finds the PDI report malicious po?
What?
What was the basis of the President for ordering a full-scale investigation and the courtesy resignations of the PhilHealth officials if they find the PDI report malicious pertaining to the
It's not the
amount?
President who said that. It's Secretary Duque. Si Secretary Pincoy Duque ang nagsabi niya.